Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn about the complement of a set. In set theory, the complement of a set is the set of all elements that belong to the universal set but not to the original set. For example, if we take the universal set of natural numbers from 1 to 10, and if we consider the set of even numbers from 2 to 10, then the complement of this set will be the set of odd numbers from 1 to 9. That is, the complement of a set contains all those elements that are in the universal set, but are not in the original set. Now, let's understand this with the help of an example. Let U, the universal set, be the set of all integers from 3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and set of B the set of even integers from -2, -4, -6, 0, 2, 4, 6. Then the complement of a, denoted by a, is the set of all integers from -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, which are the elements of the universal set, but are not in set A. Thus, we can say that the complement of set A is the set of all odd integers. Now let's try to understand the properties of the complement of a set. Property 1. The union of a set A and its complement A is equal to the universal set U, that is, a UA equals U. Property 2. The intersection of set A and A is the empty set. Property 3. The complement of a set A is equal to itself. Thank you for watching.